Log into this site, press Start, then click on Start Bitcoin Mining and boom, you just mined 1 Bitcoin in only 4 to 5 minutes. The name of this site is Hey Money Crushers. Welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money. In this video, I'll show you how to earn free Bitcoin using Bitcoin mining sites without any investment in 2022. The price of 1 Bitcoin for today is $31,000. For those who are not familiar with Bitcoin, let me give a quick explanation to all of you guys. Bitcoin is the world's first successful decentralized cryptocurrency. It was launched in 2009 by a mysterious creator known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The word cryptocurrency refers to a group of digital assets where transactions are secured and verified using cryptography. These transactions are often stored on computers, distributed all over the world via a distributed ledger technology called blockchain. Didn't make any sense? Don't worry, your Stacy is right here to help you guys at every step of the way. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are familiar with cryptocurrencies or not. I have a lot of ways to make money using cryptocurrencies. I'd be happy to share them all if you guys are interested. For simplicity, you can understand Bitcoin as an online version of cash. There are 3 ways in which you can get Bitcoin. Number 1, exchange your dollar bills or assets for Bitcoin. Number 2, get paid in Bitcoin for providing a service to someone. And lastly, they can be created using a phone or a computer, which is known as Bitcoin mining. And that's what we are focusing on in this video today. I'll share not only 1, but 3 Bitcoin mining websites and apps that work everywhere you can find internet. All you need for this is a mobile phone or a computer with an internet connection. I have also made sure that this way of making Bitcoin is beginner-friendly so that all of my money crushers can make money using this method. I have spent days on the web, researching about these websites. Before I proceed further, I would like my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future updates. Also, our Easter egg hunt contest is running, where you get a chance to make $1,500 just by finding the Easter eggs in our videos. Now it's time for the real showdown. I'm going to share all 3 websites to you now in ascending order of how much money you can make through them. So don't miss out on the 3rd website where you'll make the most amount of money. Before you start earning money using this website, you need to open an account on Binance, where you'll be receiving your payments from all the websites and apps that we are going to share today. Now to do that, just click the link in the description and create an account on Binance. After you have successfully signed up on the platform, you are ready to make some money. The first app on our list today is called CryptoTab Browser. To download this, check out the link in our description. This app is available for both Windows and Mac OS. This is one of my favorite websites when it comes to mining Bitcoin, as it is very easy to use and allows you to earn passive income. After you install this browser on your computer, your job is just finished. It'll start making you money while you surf on the internet. This browser has the fastest built-in mining algorithm, and you can switch your old data in just a single click. I would highly recommend you to download this browser right now. I have made a ton of money using this, and now it's your turn. Before I share the second site with my money crushers, comment down below your favorite food because the upcoming video this week will teach you how to make money eating your favorite food. The second website, which will help you mine Bitcoin using your phone, is called featurepoints.com. This app is available for both Android and iOS. As you can see here, they have paid their users $5.8 million in total. This is a very reputed app. In the beginning, you have to complete some tasks, and you will be rewarded with points, which you can later redeem for Bitcoin. Here, you can complete surveys, earn cashback, download apps, and share with your friends and redeem points, which you can later redeem for Bitcoin. Just download this app to your Android or iOS device and start earning right now. Whoa, it's time for the star of the night. The website I'm going to share now is my favorite website when it comes to mining Bitcoin. This website is called moonbitcoins.com. If you face any issue to reach this site, I suggest you to use a VPN and try again. This will not affect anything and you will still be able to make money. To log into this website, you'll need your Bitcoin wallet address. Just use your wallet address from Binance and press login. This site already has 357,000 users on their platform and have mined over 140 Bitcoins, which is almost $4.5 million. With my secret strategy, you will be able to take a big piece of that pie. I will walk you through the complete process. You just need to watch this carefully. Now here I have entered my Bitcoin address and it says login successful. Press start to mine Bitcoin online for absolutely free. Now you will be taken to your dashboard where you can see how much money you generated. You also get bounties on this site, which pay you in BTC just for clicking that button. Now to start the mining process, click on Start Bitcoin Mining. And as you can see, the mining has started. It will last for 10 minutes. And once you are successfully connected, you can see all the stats of mining operation on this screen here. And voila, you have successfully started mining Bitcoin. Make sure you don't close this window, otherwise all of your rewards will be lost. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.